This garden plays a very important role connecting the traditional home to the very modern new build. The garden walls are key to make the backyard cohesive and connect to the interior of the home. I've gone for the VogueWall because it looks like a traditional fence with pillars, but it's super versatile and has all different customised finishes. I've actually gone for my own colour scheme. I've added lights and a trellis so I can grow ivy through it. What I'm loving is that this fence has acoustic properties and it really reduces the noise level. The main road is just there and this modular wall really reduces traffic noise. To get maximum benefits, I've placed the wall as close to the road as I can, which means I can peacefully work in my veggie patch and hear my bees at the same time. And it also means when I'm entertaining, I'm not going to annoy my neighbours because the noise reduction benefits work both ways. Great fences mean great neighbours.